Engineering is cool. It's not just about gears and circuits, it's about creativity, innovation, and making a real difference in the world. It's all about solving problems. And we've got some big ones here on Earth. From tackling climate change to developing new technologies, engineers are at the forefront of finding solutions. From climate change to making cities smarter, engineers are on the case. They are developing renewable energy sources, creating efficient transportation systems, and designing smart grids to make our cities more sustainable. Think about it. Clean water doesn't just magically appear in your house. It takes a lot of planning, technology, and hard work to ensure that we have access to safe drinking water. Engineers figure out how to get it there. They design and build the infrastructure that transports water from its source to our homes, ensuring it's clean and safe every step of the way. We need bridges that won't fall down and buildings that can withstand earthquakes. Engineers use advanced materials and cutting-edge technology to design structures that are both strong and resilient. That's where engineers come in. They use their expertise to ensure that our infrastructure is safe, reliable, and built to last. They're like the superheroes of the science world, using their brains to design and build a better future. With tools like computer-aided design software and 3D printing, they can turn their ideas into reality faster than ever before. Right now, some of the biggest challenges are all about sustainability. Engineers are developing new ways to harness renewable energy, create sustainable materials, and reduce our carbon footprint. How can we live, work, and play on this planet without using up all the resources? Engineers are designing eco-friendly buildings, planning sustainable cities, and finding innovative ways to reduce waste and conserve resources. That's what the best engineers are thinking about, and they're coming up with some amazing solutions. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, using their skills and knowledge to create a better, more sustainable future for all of us. From electric vehicles to smart home technologies, engineers are transforming the way we live. They are making our lives more convenient, efficient, and environmentally friendly. And it's not just about the environment. Engineers are also making incredible advancements in healthcare, developing new medical devices and technologies that save lives and improve our quality of life. The future is full of possibilities, and engineers are at the heart of it all. They are working on robotics, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge technologies that will shape the world of tomorrow. And let's not forget about the next generation of engineers. Today's engineers are also educators and mentors, inspiring young minds to pursue careers in engineering and continue the legacy of innovation. So the next time you see a bridge, a building, or a piece of technology, remember the engineers who made it possible. They are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to build a better future for all of us. Engineering is not just a profession, it's a passion, a commitment to solving the world's biggest challenges and making a lasting impact. Here's to the engineers, the dreamers, and the doers who are engineering our future. Cities are growing faster than ever. As urban areas expand, the challenges we face grow more complex. The rapid development brings with it a host of issues that need innovative solutions. More people means we need more efficient ways to get around. Public transportation systems are being pushed to their limits, and the need for sustainable, efficient transit options has never been greater. Traffic jams aren't just annoying, they're bad for the environment. The pollution from countless idling cars contributes significantly to urban smog and global warming, making it imperative to find better solutions. Engineers are working on things like high-speed trains, electric buses, and even self-driving cars. These innovations promise to reduce congestion, lower emissions, and make our cities more livable. Then there's the energy puzzle. As our cities grow, so does our energy consumption. Finding sustainable ways to power our urban jungles is a critical challenge. We can't rely on fossil fuels forever. The environmental impact of coal and oil is devastating, and their reserves are finite. We need clean energy solutions, and we need them fast. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more common, but we need to scale up these efforts dramatically. Solar power, wind power, and other renewable sources are key to a sustainable future. These technologies are evolving rapidly, offering hope for a cleaner, greener world. And even harnessing energy from the ocean are all being explored by brilliant engineers. Tidal and wave energy hold immense potential, and ongoing research is unlocking new ways to tap into these vast resources. The future of our cities depends on the innovative solutions we develop today. Before you can solve a problem, you have to define it. This is the first and most crucial step in the problem-solving process. Without a clear understanding of what the problem is, any solution you come up with might miss the mark entirely. Let's take water, for example. Water is essential for life, yet it's something many of us take for granted. We turn on the tap, and there it is. But for millions of people around the world, access to clean water is a daily struggle. In many parts of the world, clean water is scarce. This scarcity affects not just drinking water, but also sanitation, agriculture, and overall health. Imagine having to walk miles every day just to collect a few gallons of water for your family. A good problem statement might be, how can we provide clean and affordable drinking water to a growing population in areas with limited water resources? This question is specific and actionable, guiding us toward practical solutions. Notice how specific that is. A well-defined problem statement narrows down the focus and makes it easier to identify potential solutions. It's not just about finding more water. It's about making sure everyone has access to it, regardless of their location or economic status. It's not just about finding more water, it's about making sure everyone has access to it. This involves creating sustainable systems that can provide clean water consistently and reliably. Once you have a clear problem statement, you can start brainstorming solutions. This is where creativity and innovation come into play. Engineers, scientists, and community leaders can come together to think of various ways to tackle the issue. Maybe it's building better wells, ones that can reach deeper aquifers and provide a more reliable source of water. These wells need to be constructed with the local environment and community needs in mind. Maybe it's developing new ways to filter water, using advanced technology to remove contaminants and make water safe to drink. Innovations in filtration can make a huge difference, especially in areas where water sources are polluted. Or maybe it's about educating people on water conservation. Teaching communities how to use water more efficiently can help stretch limited resources further. Simple practices like fixing leaks, using water-saving appliances, and harvesting rainwater can have a big impact. Ultimately, solving the water crisis requires a multifaceted approach. It's not just one solution, but a combination of many, tailored to the specific needs of each community. By working together and thinking creatively, we can ensure that everyone has access to the clean water they need to thrive. Here's the thing about engineering. It's not a one-person job. The best solutions come from diverse teams with different backgrounds and perspectives. You might have a team with engineers, scientists, and even artists and community members. Each person brings their own unique way of looking at the problem. This leads to more creative and well-rounded solutions. Remember, 2 heads are better than 1, and 10 heads are even better. Section 5. The power of collaboration. It's not enough to just have a diverse team, you need to listen to each other. Collaboration is key. That means sharing ideas, debating solutions, and working together to find the best path forward. Engineers also need to work with policymakers and government leaders to make sure their solutions can actually be implemented. It's all about finding common ground and working towards a shared goal. Remember, we're all in this together. Section 6. The importance of ethical considerations. Engineering isn't just about building things, it's about building them responsibly. We have to consider the ethical implications of our work. For example, if we're designing a new type of robot, we need to think about its impact on human jobs and safety. We also need to make sure we're not creating solutions that disproportionately benefit certain groups of people while neglecting others. Ethics should be at the forefront of every engineer's mind. Section 7. The role of emerging technologies. Technology is constantly evolving, and engineers are always on the lookout for new tools and techniques. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data are just a few examples of emerging technologies that are changing the face of engineering. These technologies have the potential to help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, but we need to use them wisely and responsibly. It's an exciting time to be an engineer. Section 8. inspiring the next generation. We need more young people to get excited about engineering. It's a field that's full of creativity, innovation, and the power to make a real difference in the world. We need to encourage kids to be curious, to ask questions, and to not be afraid to tinker and experiment. Who knows what amazing things they'll come up with? The future of engineering is in their hands. Section 9. Building a brighter tomorrow. The challenges we face are real, but so are the solutions. Engineers are at the forefront of building a brighter tomorrow. A tomorrow with cleaner energy, smarter cities, and a more sustainable future for all. It's a team effort, and everyone has a role to play. So let's get to work.